Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Today it's actually a Saturday, October the 22nd, and I've not so good news because we have in today's newspaper no extra puzzle. So I've decided to solve the yesterday's edition. Yesterday's edition, October the 21st, 2022. We have three puzzles left: the letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, and the tectonic with a 1-star. But let me continue with the letter Sudoku. Letter Sudoku number 5367. And before I start, I always count the printed, in this case, letters. Well, this one has 27 printed digits, letters. And the letters I can use are the O, the B, the A, the S, the T, the D, the R, the N, and F. And the goal is to solve this word in Dutch. I will translate this if I solve this word. Alright, so let's get started. We have a F in this row, the F in the second row. So, the letters that I can use are the O, the B, the A, the S, the T, the D, the R, the N, and F. Yes, I've done this. Yes, okay. So we have a F in the first row, F in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the F should be here. The B in this column, the B in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places left for the B should be here or there. We see here B in this row. No B there. B should be there. Alright. F. Then. The R and the A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters, the R. We have an R in the third row, so no R in these 3 boxes. We have an R in this column, no R in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the R in this big square should be there. R. B. Alright, then B. How about the T then? T in this row, T in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the T should be here or there. We see a T in this column, no T there, T should be there. T in this column, T in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the T should be there. Alright. O. And alright. T. N. The B. S. We have a pair, the S and A in this column, the S and A in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the S and A goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, S and A. Alright. And now. Let me see. We have a pair again, the O and R in the first row, the O and R in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the O and R goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. O and R. We have an O in the first column, no O there. O should be here, and R goes there. So 2 missing letters now in the second row. For letters, D is missing, and T is missing here. D and the T. Well, we have a T in this big square, so no T there. T should be here, and the D goes there. So now we have two missing letters in this big square. For letters B is missing and the N is missing. B and N. Let me mark those. B and N. Two missing letters in the third row. For letters D is missing and S is missing. D and S. Let me mark those. Two missing letters in this big square. For letters S is missing an A. S and A. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Alright. Then B. Well. A, N. We have a pair, the N and a T in this column, the N and a T in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places left for the N and the T goes in those two boxes as a pair. N and a T, N and a T. We have a T in this row. No T there, T should be here, and the N goes there. Alright. A. B and the A, B and the R. Ooh, O. The T. Come on. Already 7 minutes already passed. Okay. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an O. We have an O in this column. No O in these three boxes. Here, no in this row. No O in those two boxes. So one box left for the O in this big square should be there. O. So these three missing letters are the O is missing, the A is missing, and S is missing. O-A-S. And look, we have O and A in the last row. So no O and A in this box. The O and A goes in those two boxes as a pair. O and A. So one digit, one letter is missing in this column for letter S. Okay. F is missing. F. D is missing. Missing the D. D. F, D, and the O. No O we have here. F. And the R is missing here. The R. Well, we have a R in this column, R in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the R should be here. So the F and the D are missing now in this big square. F and the D. We have a D in this row, last row, no D there. D should be here, and the F goes there. D in the last column, D in the last row, D in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the D should be there. D and S, we have a D now in the third column, so no D there. D should be here, and S goes there. So we have 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is S. We have an S in the third column, so no S in these two boxes. So the S could be here, could be there. So we have an S in one of those two boxes in this row. I've marked those two boxes with S and A. So we have S in one of those two boxes in this row. So this box can be S anymore. That box should be an S. This box should be an A. O and A, we have an A now in this row. No A there. A should be here, and O goes there. So we have an O in the last row, O in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the O should be here or there. We see an O in this column, no O there. O should be there. F and F and the N are missing. F and the N. F and the N in the last column. F and the N. We have an N in this row. No N there. N should be here. And the F goes there. So 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. N is missing. And the D is missing. N and a D. We have a D in this column. No D there. D should be here. And the N goes there. Now we have N here. So this box can't be N anymore. That box should be an N. And this box should be a B. 1 box left in this row for letter. F is missing here. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. B is missing. And the R is missing. We have a B in the last row. No B there. B should be here. And the R goes there. 1 letter is missing in the last row for letter O. O. No. O we have here. N is missing. Yeah, the N is missing. So we have a S and an A. T, the B. S, R is missing. And F is missing. SRF in this big square. SRF. And look, we have an R and an F in this column. So no R and F in this box. The R and F goes in those 2 boxes. R and the F. We have an R in this column. No R there. R should be here and F goes there. So 1 letter is missing in this big square for letter S. Alright. S. B. N. B, N. And T. B, N and a T. B, N and a T. Well. F. S here. The R. O in this row, O in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the O should be here, or there. We see an O in the first column, no O there. Here, an O in the third column, no O there. So the only place left for the O should be there. So 2 missing letters in this column for letters. T is missing. And F is missing. T and F. No. We have a F here. N is missing. T and N. T and the N. We have a T in this row. No T there. T should be here. And the N goes there. B is missing. And the N is missing. B and N. We have an N in the third column. No N there. N should be here. And the B goes there. B in this row, B in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the B should be here or there. We see a B in this column. No B there. B should be here. The D. 2 missing letters in this column. 4 letters. D is missing. And the D and the N. No. D and the S is missing. D and the S. D and the S. We have a D in this row. No D there. D should be here. And the S goes there. So we have a D in this row, D in the middle row, so the row above, the only two places left for the D should be here or there. You see a D in this column, no D there, D should be here. So the A is missing and the S is missing. A and the S, we have a S in the third column, no S there. S should be here. And the A goes there. And we solve this word. In Dutch, this word is brandstof. In English, fuel, yeah, the fuel. In 15 minutes, yeah, 15 minutes. We solve this in 15 minutes. Well. Let me continue. Because for a letter Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Yeah, that's my time limit. Almost finished. S and A, we have a S now in this column, no S there. S should be here, and A goes there. Two missing letters in this big square for letters. A is missing, and F is missing. A and F. We have A in this row, middle row, so no A there. A should be here, and F goes there. Two missing letters in this big square for letters. F is missing, and T is missing. Yeah. T is missing. We have a T in this row. No T there. T should be here. And F goes there. Finished. 16 minutes. Told you. Need 15 to 20 minutes to solve this word. The Dutch word brandstof. Fuel in English. Alright. Thank you for watching. And I will continue later on with the other two puzzles. The 2-star Sudoku and tectonic. Yeah, until then, bye bye for now.